Begin. It is 7 now.
Okay.
So, good morning, participants. So, let us move on with the session and let the other participants join. But meantime, we will start our sessions, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Good morning to the participants. The today is day 5. So before we have started the yoga class, have stretch your whole body. Okay. See, started the stretching exercise in lower body to upper body today. Stretch your angle, then another like angle, then stretch the angle in another position. Okay. Another like position, another angle position. Then stretching your angle, another way. Then opposite legs. Stretch your angle in back side. Then another legs. Stretch your hamstring muscle. Stretch your hamstring muscle in another position. Hold the left leg. Ready to raise it up with your comfortable duration there. Then another leg. And another position. Stretch your legs. Then another leg, opposite leg. Stretch your legs in another position. Then stretch your another position. Then stretch your hips in right side. Half to bend your right side. Inside you. Then opposite direction. Then have to forward. Bend. Your convenience you have to bend forward. Then slowly you have to bend backward with support your hands in keep your hips. Then stretch your hips in. Then stretch your hands. Then another position. Stretch your hands. Then stretch your fingers and also wrist. In opposite direction. Another hand wrist. Have to stretch. Then downward position. In opposite direction. Stretch your head in right side slowly, holding 3 to 5 seconds. And opposite direction. And stretch your head in upper view. Then slowly have downward position. Then slowly you have to your forehead swing position. Going to the today going to Surya Namaskar. Before the start of the asanas, I have to going to the Surya Namaskar. I have to step by step have to demonstrate. Prayer position, Pranamasana position. After that, we have to breathe in the air. Then slowly, step 2 going slowly. Slightly have to bend backward position. After that, we have to both the hands to raise. The name is Ashtavkarasana. Then step 3 going to slightly bend forward position. That is bending forward position. The Hastapradasana name is. And step 4, slightly your left leg to backward position. After that, you have to breathe, exhale slowly. The name is Hastapradasana. Then step 5, normal, going to the normal push-up position. The name is Dandasana. After that, you have to breathe, inhale. Then step 6, the 8 parts of the body have to touch in your floor. Chin, chest, both the hands, knee and ankle. The name is Adho Mukha Savasana. Downward facing dog pose. You have to breathe, exhale at the time. Then step 7, slowly have your upper body rise slowly with your upper double. Your convenience, your upper body flexibility. The name is Bhujangasana, that is Cobra pose position. Have to breathe, inhale. Then step 8, slowly V-shaped position. The name is Adho Mukha Savasana. At time you have to breathe, exhale. Then slowly have to raise your right leg forward position. Step 9 position. At the time you have to breathe, inhale. The name is Asvasundalasana. Then step 10. Both the legs have to close nearby. And place your hands to your palms to reach the floor. At the time you have to breathe, exhale position. The name is Hastapradasana. Hastapradasana. Then step 11, slowly back to your feet. At the time you have to breathe, inhale slowly. The name is Hastapradasana. And going to the step 2 or step 1. prayer position. That name is Pranasana. You have to breathe, exhale slowly. Okay. One more time for the demonstration. In another way. Step 1, prayer position. That means pranasana position. Step 2, slowly you have to raise your upper body only. Both hands to. So, and step 3, forward bend position. Step 4, take your left backward position. Then step 5, go to the now push-up position. Then step 6, 8 parts of the body to touch the floor. Then steps around. And you after body in slowly. Step 8. Going to the V-shape position. And step 9. Forward. Your left leg and my right leg. And step 10. Have forward position. Then step 11. Slowly bend backward position. Whatever you have to. Then step 12. Going to prayer position. The interested participants to practice now in the Surya Namaskar. I have demonstration step by step. I have explained. Also, I have to demonstration. Okay, please, interested people to stand up. Okay. First, you have to stand normal position. Okay. Going to the first prayer position slowly. Have to breathe. Inhale slowly. Then going to step 2. Slightly your upper body to backward position. Both the hands are raised. Then step 3, going to forward bend position slowly. After that, you have to breathe, engage. Then step 4, left leg to backward position. Have to breathe, exhale. Then step 5, normal push-ups position. If you are not comfortable, have to place your knees to the floor. If you are comfortable. But this is a procedure. Okay. Step 5. Have to breathe in here. Then step 6. The 8 parts of the body have to touch the floor. Have to exhale the breathe. Then step 7. Slowly raise your upper body. Have to breathe. Inhale slowly. If you are comfortable, do it now. Then step 6, going to the V-shape position. Have to breathe, exhale. Then step 9, slightly your right leg to forward. Then step 10, both legs to forward and nearby both the legs and your hands, palms to face the floor. Then slowly have to step down, slowly have to raise the upper body in backward position. Also have to do both hands. Then go into step 1. Good. You have to practice regularly in your free time. And going to the asanas. Today you have to stand up position of asana. So you are going to the normal standing position with your shoulder level, both your legs and also your angle. So both the hands to closely your upper body. That is normal standing position. Today you have to demonstration in Tandasana. Tandasana, and the name is Tandasana. The another name is, the name is the palm tree pose. The position of the name is the palm tree pose. Okay. First you have to both the hands you have to 1 feet to slowly have to in between the gap. Okay. Both the hands to rise in upper view. Have to raise the both the hands in. Have to both the palms have to face position. If you are comfortable, have to interlock position. This position. You have to face the palms in upper your sky. To see the sky in your palm. Okay. Slowly raise your angle if you are comfortable. In case you have to any pain, feel the pain. After that, you have to stop the position. Okay. You have to go in the final position. You have to deeply inhale the breathe and hold the breathe and exhale the breathe. And slowly have to release the Tandasana in reverse order, step by step. First, I have to release the mind and then I have to release my normal. My hands to face the palm position. Then slowly release my hands to downward position. Going to the standing position. I have to demonstrate one more in another way. Stand your normal standing position. Then slightly you have to stand in your shoulder level if you are comfortable. Then you have to straightly raise your both the hands to in upper side. Your both the hand palms you have to face to opposite direction. If you are comfortable, you can go into the interlock position. Then the palms to face the sky. And raise your legs. In final position, you have to breathe, inhale, and hold your breath, and exhale the breath. Then slowly have to release the asana in reverse order. The interested people going to practice the Tandasana now. I have also explained and I have also demonstrated. Okay. The interested people to stand up, normal stand up position. And you have to stand your shoulder level with your both the angle and slowly raise your both the legs to raise. You have to both the palms to face in opposite direction. If you are comfortable, you have to interlock position. Then your palms to face the upper view or sky. Then slightly raise your angle, raise. Then you have to breathe, inhale and hold the breath and exhale the breath. Then slowly release the angle in reverse slowly. And you have to release the interlock first. Going to normal position. Then release the both hands in reverse slowly. Going to normal standing position. Okay, what are the benefits you have to practice to regularly in Tandasana? You have to increase your flexibility in your body, in angle, joints, your both your parts of the body in joints, and your thighs have to flexibility have to increase. Okay, tones up your pelvic muscle also. Then strengthen your nervous system also have to strengthen. Then boost up functioning of your digestive system and respiratory system also have to. Okay, going to the next asana. The name is Trachea Tandasana. One of the Trachea Tandasana is standing position. The position name is swing palm tree pose. Swing palm tree pose. Okay. First going to the standing position first. Then I have to both the legs to 1 to 2 feet in between the gap in your both the angle or both the legs. Then you have going to the Tandasana position first. Then that holding the fingers in interlock position. Then the palms to face the upper deep or the sky. Then slowly have to raise the right side. With your comfortable. Then hold the hand push. You have to inhale the breath slowly and hold the breath and exhale the breath. And release the particular asana in reverse. Slowly back to the normal position your upper body first. Then release that interlock first. Then slowly release the both the hands in reverse order. Then have to go to normal standing position. I have to demonstrate in another view. You have to right one side, then you have to practice left side. Both have to both right side and left side have to practice. Stand up position. Then both the feet have to 1 to 2 feet given comfortable. Then slowly raise both the hands in upper. Then have to your fingers to the interlock position to face the sky upwardly. Then slowly have to then lift right or left side first to be comfortable. Then hold the finger position. You have to breathe, inhale and hold the breath. And exhale the breath. And slowly release the reverse order. Release interlock position and release both the hands and release normal going to normal standing. The interested participants to practice now the Prakya Handasana now. I am explained, then I am also demonstration. The interested people to stand up the normal standing position. Okay. After stand up position, then you have to both the feet have to straightly 1 to 2 feet in between the gap if you are comfortable. And slowly raise your both the hands in slowly. Then hold the interlock position with your fingers. Then your palms to upper rib. Then slowly bend your right side. Then slowly release the in reverse order. To back position. Then release the interlock position first and release the both the hands in slowly. And going to the standing normal position. The name is Trakya Dandasana. What are the benefits you have to practice in the Trakya Dandasana in regular practice? Strengthen your neck, chest, and your shoulder muscles also strengthen. Strengthen your back muscle, your spinal, and your abdominal muscle also have to strengthen the particular asana. Then improve your cardiovascular system. You have to regular practice in the Trakya Dandasana. Also, you have to practice the particular asana. You have to improve your blood circulation level in your body and reduce your body fat. Your side parts of the body have to fat. You have to regular practice the Trakya Dandasana. You have to reduce the body fat level also. Then improves your kidneys and liver function also. You have to regular practice, then your kidneys and liver function also have to be improved. The particular the Trakya Dandasana. Going to the next asana. The name is Ardha Chakrasana. The position name is half wheel pose position. Half wheel pose. Just going to normal standing position with your shoulder level. Then slightly hold the hips, both the hands, your support. Then slowly have to your upper body to bend position. Slowly have to back bend position. With your convenience of your body. The final position hold. Have to breathe. In case you have to comfortable, you have to breathe in here. Hold the breath and exhale the breath. And slowly right your upper body first in reverse order. Then release the hands in normal, going to normal. And you have to reverse in another way. First you're going to normal standing position with your shoulder level. You have to stand up position. Then hold the hips in both the hands. You have to use. You have to this position if you are comfortable or you have to side hold position if you are comfortable. Then slowly have to your upper body slowly have to backward push with your convenience. In case you have to any feel the pain, you have to stop the position. Okay. Then slowly have to release the reverse. Okay. Then release the shoulder. In the interest of people to practice now, the Chakrasana now, how to going to stand up position. First, with your shoulder level, how to stand. Then, both the hands to support your hips, hold the hips, and slowly raise your upper body backward position slowly with your comfortable, with your convenience. Slowly. Now, while holding with your comfortable duration, in case you have to feel any pain, then you have to stop the position. And slowly raise your upper body. First, then release the both the hands. Normal position. Okay. The name is Ardha Chakrasana. We have to practice the regular in Ardha Chakrasana in reduce the thigh and your stomach fat. Your thigh and your stomach have to fat level have to decrease the regular practice in the particular Ardha Chakrasana. Then you have to improve your lungs capacity and cures the respiratory disorders. You have to any disorder problem in respiratory system, you have to regular practice the particular Ardha Chakrasana. Then control your blood sugar level also. You have to your blood sugar level also control the particular asana. Then relieves menstrual your pain and disorder. You have to release the menstrual pain and disorder problem. You have to then boost your health in your heart. Boost in your health in your heart. Okay. Then stimulates the abdomen, angle and like pancreas. The pancreas is one of the muscle that you have to stimulate the particular Hatha chakra. Okay. Going to the next asana. The name is Kadi Chakrasana. The name is Kadi Chakrasana. The standing position of the name is standing spinal twist pose. Standing spinal twist pose. Okay. It is simple asana in standing. First going to the normal sitting style, normal standing position. Then you have to slightly both left and right leg to rest in side view. In between the gap in 2 feet with your comfortable, you have to pass in 3 feet with very comfortable. Minimum have to 2 feet difference in between the both the legs. Then your left leg to slightly backward to front view. Then your right leg to place your either left shoulder above the shoulder to hold the above the shoulder in left shoulder. Then have to turn backward, stand back side in your upper body and also your head. In the final position going to you have to breathe inhale and hold the breath and exhale the breath and slowly release the reverse order, the particular asana. First I have to reverse order in my upper body and forehead, normal position. Then release my right hand first and release my left hand and normal standing position. That is one type of the Kadi Chakrasana. Then you have to turn in another view, another side. Okay. I have demonstrated in another side. First you have to have a standing position to in between the 2 feet gap in the both the angles. Then now I have to turn. I have used my right hand to backward position to forward position. Then my left leg to hold the right shoulder above the shoulder, and I have to face and upper body to stretch and to sit side in backward side. Then you have to breathe. Inhale, hold the breath, and exhale the breath. Then slowly release the particular asana in reverse order. Release my left leg, left hand first, and right hand and normal standing position. I have to demonstrate in side view, stand up position. Then in between the 2 feet gap in both the angles. Then your left or left or right hand you have to backward to frontward position with your back side. Then another hand you have to place the another shoulder above the shoulder. Then you have to both the upper body and your forehead to backward position. See that? To breathe inhale and hold the breath and exhale the breath. And slowly release the reverse arm. Release my right hand first and left hand. I'm going to standing position. Okay. In the interest of people to practice now, I explain and demonstration also. Okay. First, stand up position, normal stand up position. Then, in between the 2 feet gap in your both angles or 3 feet if you are comfortable. Then, your left or right leg have to choose first. Then, slowly backside to right. This position. Then, another opposite hand to place the opposite shoulder in both shoulder. And slightly have to backward position. Then you have to breathe in here. Then hold the breath and exhale the breath. Then release the slight reverse. You have to really practice the Kali Chakrasana. You have to your abdomen and your back muscle have to strengthen your neck, shoulder, and your chest muscle also strengthen the regular practice the Kali Chakrasana and improve your digestive system also you have to improve. You have to your body fat have to any fat level you have in your body that reduce the fat level. Then reduce your back pain, lower back pain. You have to any back pain, feel the back pain. You have to reduce the practice the Kali Chakrasana in regular practice. Then improve your cardiovascular health also have to improve your cardiovascular. Then improve the blood circulation. You have to regular practice the Kali Chakrasana. Okay. Going to the next asana is Trakya Kali Chakrasana. The name is Trakya Kali Chakrasana. The position name is swing waist rotation pose. Swing waist rotation pose. One of the simple standing asana. First going to the normal standing position. Then you have to both the angles in between the 2 to 3 feet in between the gap. Then your both the hands to rise slowly, going to Tandasana position. Okay. Then interlock the your fingers. Then slowly downward your chest level to face the your fingers. Then bend your upper body with your comfortable, with your convenience. Then slowly turn right or left side at the time the angle to same direction. Then hold the final position. Then you have to breathe. Inhale Then hold the breath and breathe out. Then slowly release the reverse arm. And first, then release the bending position and release the interlock position. And slowly release the, move the hands and go into normal standing position. Okay. The name is Trakya Kari Chakrasana. Okay. In another opposite direction also you have to practice. Okay. First stand up in between the angle 2 feet or 3 feet with your comfortable. And slowly raise your both the hands and your fingers to interlock position first. And have to slowly downward with your shoulder level. Have to face your fingers, then slowly bending forward your upper body. Okay. And left side. And now to inhale the breath and hold the breath and breathe out and release the particular asana in reverse order. I got a demonstration in another side view. First going to standing, normal standing position, and I have to in between the both the angles in 2 feet in between the gap, and slowly have to raise the both the hands and hold the interlock position. We palm to face the sky, then slowly downward pushing both the hands to your shoulder level. Have to face the fingers back reach. Then slowly you have to bend your upper body with your comfortable, with your convenience to forward bending position. Then slowly left up, right side. Have to turn. At the same time, have to your left leg or right leg to change this position. Your eyes to turn up left side. And you have to breathe. Inhale. Hold the breath. And breathe out. Then slowly release the reverse order. Going to normal standing position. You have to regular practice the Trakya Kari Chakrasana. I have to 70. You have to regular practice the Trakya Kari Chakrasana. I have to improve your hips level. You have to reduce the hips fat. You have to reduce with the Trakya Kari Chakrasana. Then you have to improve your sense of the balance. Your body sense have to balance level have to improve. Then the max the muscle of the around ribs with you have to flexible, particular the Trakya Kari Chakrasana. Then strengthen the arms, your shoulder, and your back muscle also have to strengthen the Trakya Kari Chakrasana. Going to the next asana, Attakadi Chakrasana. One of the standing position of asana. Okay. Going to the standing position. You have to stand your shoulder level. Okay. Then you have to raise any one hand. You have to I have to choose my left leg. Then slightly have to bend inside my right side to touch the ears in your hands. You do not bend your knees. That is Ardha Kadi Chakrasana. You have to breathe. Inhale. Hold the breath. And exhale the breath. Then release the particular asana. Then going to normal standing position. And another direction you have to practice. Stand up position. Then raise your right hand and touch the ears in your right hand. Then slowly you have to bend your left side with your upper body that you are comfortable. Now, final position. Have to breathe inhale and hold the breath and breathe out. And release the reverse arm. The name is Ardha Kadi Chakrasana. You have to practice the regular practice the Ardha Kadi Chakrasana. You have to reduce your fat level. Your blood circulation have to improve. Then improve your flexibility in your hips also. Okay. In case you have to any abdominal injury or have to any hip or injury to avoid the particular asana. Okay. Okay. Going to the pranayama with your comfortable sitting position. I have to choose Ardha Padmasana. And left leg I have to use Gyana Chinmutra. My right hand I have to use Mudra. Then my spine has to stay. Today we learn the Surya Veda Pranayama. Surya Veda Pranayama. The name is visualizing breath. The name is visualizing breath. You have to breathe, inhale in your right nostril only. You have to breathe, inhale your right nostril in slowly. You have to fill the air in your lungs, in your body. Then exhale the breath in your left nostril only. You have to exhale the breath in left nostril. Okay, what is the difference of the Chandra Vedana to Surya Vedana? Chandra Vedana is only have to inhale your left nostril. Okay, then release the right nostril. You have to exhale. But the Surya Vedana is you have to inhale your right nostril and release the air in or breathe out the exhale the breath in left nostril. Okay. I have to demonstration now. First you have to sitting position, then your both the hands to straight position. Your spinal also you have to straight. Then you have to face the opposite direction. Then use the mudras. Then I have to close my left nostril first. I have to inhale the breath in my right nostril. Then close my right nostril and exhale the breathe in, breathe out in my left nostril. And inhale the breathe in right nostril. Then hold the right nostril and exhale the breathe out in left nostril. Going to normal position. Normal sitting position. The name is Surya Bandha Pranayama. You have to breathe, inhale in your right nostril and exhale the breath out in left nostril only. You have to inhale right side, exhale the right side. Okay. Then going to what are the benefits you have to practice regularly in the Surya Bandha Pranayama? Your depression level you have to reduce the practice the regular in Surya Bandha Pranayama. Then the asthma people have to regular practice. You have to reduce the asthma level or cure the asthma problem. The regular practice the Surya Bandha Pranayama. Then you have to sleepless people. You have to regular practice. You have to improve your sleeping hours or improve your sleepiness problem. Okay. Then obesity people also have to practice the Surya Bandha Pranayama in regularly. Okay. Going to meditation now. Also you have to practice the same meditation in yesterday. That is music meditation. Okay. Going to sitting position first. I have to choose in Padmasana position. If you are comfortable, you have to choose any sitting position. Going to Padmasana. I have to use Dhyan Chin Mudra. My spine is straight. My both the hands to straight position. Then I have to close my eyes. Then I have to imagine the music. You have to play the music with your headphones to feel the music with your calm and quiet and positive type of the music. You have to play with your mobile, your laptops, or your home theaters. You have to play. Then you have to your mind relaxes. Then you have to think your positive. Then slowly. Release the setting function first. You have to practice the music meditation. You have to your mind to calm and relax your body. Then you have to feel of happiness. You have to practice the regular practice in music meditation. The positive type of the music you have to play only. Yeah, or you have to music the karaoke type of music or positive speaking type of the music. Okay, a lot of the music are available in YouTube or Google. You have to download, then you have to use the positive type of the music. Okay. You have to practice the music meditation. Okay, thank you. To have to on share the
Thank you, sir.
kind of you have to follow. We have to rules and regulation in our government to so have to stay at home, stay safe and stay fit. You have to outside of the have to going wear the mask. You have to use the double mask also. I have to use. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you for the questions.
Thank you all, and thank you, Karthik sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, and I have posted the videos of 3 days of yoga training, and yesterday's video I'll be posting today, so that you can refer. And today's I'll be, so just give me 1 day time to post the previous day's video. So accordingly, you will get all the videos and you can refer. And thank you all for your time.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Have a wonderful
Thank,
day ahead. All
thank
wonderful
you,
day
ma'am.
ahead. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you. Thank you to the all.